Have you ever found yourself dreaming of becoming a consistent and profitable trader? I used to feel the same way, thinking it was just a fantasy. But I've learned that this dream is within reach, and I'm here to share how you can turn it into reality. The journey isn't about random tips or vague theories. It's about adopting proven strategies that have transformed my trading life and the lives of hundreds of others. After spending over 7 years in the trading world, I've seen what works and what doesn't. Success leaves clues, and today, I want to share 2 key areas and 6 essential principles that you need to adopt if you're serious about achieving lasting consistency and profitability in your trading journey. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. First, let's talk about the importance of efficiency and effectiveness. It's not enough to just do things right. You have to make sure you're doing the right things. Efficiency is all about optimizing your processes, while effectiveness focuses on reaching your desired outcomes. Both are critical, but they're not the same. I've learned that being efficient without being effective can mean you're doing the wrong things well. On the flip side, being effective without efficiency might get you to your goals, but with a lot of wasted effort. If you want to stand out and join the top 1% of traders, you've got to find that sweet spot where efficiency meets effectiveness. Now, let's dive into personal development, the foundation of consistency. To become efficient in your personal growth, you need to be prepared to make sacrifices. I get it. Life is busy and time is precious. But as Benjamin Franklin said, lost time is never found again. If you're not dedicating time to learning, practicing, and reviewing your strategies, you're going to find yourself constantly searching for shortcuts that just don't exist. The key to being effective in your personal development is setting clear, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. I love what Seneca said. The person who does not know where he wants to go, there is no favorable wind. Without clear goals, you're like a sailor without a set course, unable to take advantage of favorable conditions. By setting a clear path for your growth, you create a strong foundation that will support you as you move on to the next crucial area, your trading development. When it comes to trading, efficiency means refining your routine, cutting out unnecessary steps, and improving your execution speed. It's also about managing risk and avoiding the temptation to over-leverage. But here's the thing. Effectiveness in trading requires you to focus on strategies that have a proven track record of success. I've spent countless hours testing and validating strategies through backtesting and forward testing before ever applying them in live markets. And it doesn't stop there. You need to make time every day to review your trades and maintain a detailed journal. This practice has been a game changer for me. It's how I've been able to understand why certain trades worked and others didn't, and then apply those lessons to future trades. As Napoleon Hill wisely said, every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. I've come to realize that failures and setbacks often contain the most valuable lessons, leading to greater success in the future. Next, I want to talk about the integration of these concepts. Balancing efficiency and effectiveness might sound challenging, but it's absolutely possible. If you're serious about achieving the freedom and wealth you desire, it's crucial to constantly aim for that balance in both your personal growth and your trading development. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face." There's no substitute for hard work. Yes, efficient processes and effective strategies will improve your performance, but it doesn't end there. You must continually assess your progress and be flexible enough to adjust your strategies as needed. Success, I've learned, depends on implementing a feedback loop where you regularly assess your personal development and trading results. This allows you to refine your strategies and processes continuously. Flexibility is crucial. Both the markets and our personal growth are constantly evolving. Don't be afraid to adjust your approach as circumstances change. Finally, I want to remind you to trust the process and believe in yourself. By applying these principles of efficiency and effectiveness, you can bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be, one step at a time. As the old saying goes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Set clear goals, use efficient learning methods, focus on impactful skills, streamline your trading process, and select effective strategies. You have the power to enhance your performance and achieve your dreams. I've done it, and I have no doubt that you can too. Continue to trust the process, and remember that I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's make those dreams of consistent and profitable trading a reality together. Looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals? See the links below.